taking a bath, guys.
I want to go run down the street.
Crazy girl. This is Paulo's first bath for the month of October. Such an idiot. The what commercial?
The shampoo. Well, give me the shampoo.
You look like you don't have nothing on underneath.
I have drawn.
Lofa, what's wrong? You want to go right out there with Fano? She's about to get electrocuted.
That was
Idiot.
That's beautiful.
Bath time's over. Get out. Do not hug me. I'm going to stalk you.
Get out.
I'm going to knock you out. Come over here and hug me.
Hi.
Come here.